Hey there, Lizzie here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a tool that's a staple in every toolkit, pliers. Whether you're an electrician, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who wants reliable tools at your side, Jonard Tools has you covered. In this video, we'll be comparing 7 popular pliers from Jonard, breaking down their features, strengths, and the jobs they're best suited for. First up, our diagonal stripping pliers, part number JIC 7858. This tool is ideal for precision tasks with its heat-treated carbon steel construction, giving it both durability and strength. What sets it apart is the stripping notches, which make it perfect for stripping 22 and 18 gauge wire cleanly and efficiently. If you need a reliable tool for both cutting and stripping, the JIC 7858 is your go-to. Next, we have the JIC 683 linesman pliers. These heavy-duty pliers are built for tough jobs, featuring a cross-hatched jaw for enhanced grip and a rivet design to ensure smooth movement, making it an essential tool for electrical work. Whether you're cutting, twisting, or pulling, the JIC 683 offers the strength and reliability you need on the job. Now, let's check out the JIC 2288 diagonal pliers. These are designed for flush cutting materials like wire ties, wire, and plastic. The induction-hardened cutting edges ensure long-lasting sharpness, making it a great choice for detailed work, perfect for tasks that require precision and a clean finish. The JIC 21257 needle nose pliers are up next. With a long tapered nose, these pliers are excellent for reaching into tight spaces and bending or cutting wire with precision. The side cutting capability makes it versatile for a range of tasks, while still offering the precision you need for when you need a bit more reach and power. Similar to the JIC 21257, the JIC 842 needle nose pliers feature a side cutter and additional leverage. These are your best friend when working in cramped or hard to reach areas. Moving on to the JIC 2755 flush cut pliers. These are specialized in making clean, flat cuts on wire and electronic components. The ultra-sharp, heat-treated blades ensure that your cuts are precise and smooth, an essential tool for anyone working with electronics or needing ultra-clean cuts. Last but not least, we have the Diag B6 diagonal stripping pliers. This tool is a powerhouse for both cutting and stripping. The built-in 0.045-inch stripping hole makes it easy to strip wires quickly, and the induction-hardened cutting edges ensure long-term durability. If you're looking for a versatile, durable tool for both cutting and stripping, the Diag B6 won't disappoint you. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at some popular pliers from Jonard Tools. Each of these tools is designed with specific tasks in mind, so whether you need precision, power, versatility, or a combination of them all, there's a Jonard plier that's perfect for the job. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.